Hi, I'm Nicole, a librarian at McAllen Public Library. Welcome back to Food for Thought. One thing that has come out of staying at home during the pandemic has been that more people are spending time in the kitchen, and some of these recipes are going viral. This year, one of the most popular was Dalgona coffee, which can be traced back all the way to South Korea when social distancing orders were set in place. This DIY beverage spread globally, and people were making homemade versions and sharing their creations on social media, and it quickly went viral on TikTok. Because it created such a social media craze, I thought I could demonstrate how to make Dalgona coffee. So if you want to see me test the internet-famous beverage, keep watching. Dalgona coffee is made by whipping equal parts of instant coffee, sugar, and hot water, then placing the whipped coffee on milk. Here are the ingredients you will need. To whip the ingredients, you can use a whisk, hand mixer, or stand mixer. First, put your dry ingredients and hot water in your mixing bowl. You'll want really hot water you've just boiled. So, since I have a stand mixer, I was able to set it to mix and leave it for about 5 minutes until it makes a dense foam. If you're doing it by hand with a whisk, it might take about 5 to 10 minutes to get that consistency. The foam itself tastes like really strong coffee. But don't worry, you'll be mixing it in with milk, so it will become a lot more subtle. Pour 1 cup of milk over about half a cup of ice. You can use any milk of your choice. Spoon the whipped coffee on top of the milk. The ice cubes should keep the foam from sinking. And that's it. I think I used a little too much of the foam here, but simply mix it in with the milk and enjoy. Dalgona coffee was easy to make, and it tasted great. This TikTok recipe passed. If you're a coffee lover or know one, I recommend trying it out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow MPL Adults on Facebook.